How to create a client account on OnlineJobs.ph. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph. In here, we'll have to tap on this login. After that, we will be automatically redirected to their website. In here, we'll have to tap on this post a job. And then after that, we can now start creating our client account. In here, we'll have to add our full name. After that, our email address. And then we'll have to create our password. Once you're done, you'll have to tap on this box here that says that I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After that, tap on this I am not a robot, and then once you're done, tap on this register option. After that, it will automatically create our client account. As you can see, we're automatically redirected here, and then in here we can now start creating a job post. All you need to do is to fill out the job information here. At the bottom, when you are done, simply tap on this Submit for Review. So that's how easy we can create a client account on OnlineJobs.ph. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!